Hey, this is Sherman with Highland Park Lapidary, and I want to show you some of the new stuff that we're building, which should be in the States here towards the end of the year, around Christmas time. Maybe a little bit later, but I've got the Model 6s. Lots of these are being built here. Our Black Friday sale is going on now. So if you're looking at getting a trim saw, you can go to www.hplapidary.com. So one of the things that makes the Model 6 trim saw so nice in its class is we're the only manufacturer that makes the entire thing out of cast aluminum. The tank is cast aluminum. You'll notice there's a stainless steel fitting here coming out, a brass nameplate, not just a stupid sticker. The whole top is cast aluminum. It's an adjustable splash guard, and there's a plastic splash guard that goes on the front here as well. We also feature the biggest motors in the industry. We use a 1/2 horsepower motor on all our 6-inch trim saw. We're more than twice the power of any other trim saw out there. If you look at the insides of it, the Arbor assembly, we do this on a turn mill. It's a completely serviceable Arbor with sealed bearings. You'll notice there's a little clip ring there that if you have a bad bearing, easy to replace it. You don't have to go through any kind of problem. And any of you that are familiar with mechanical things, you'll see that just the attention to detail and quality on this is unparalleled in our industry. We mount the 6-inch saw on a heavy-duty phenolic board, which really, you can throw it in the bottom of your pond for 25 years, pull it out. It's going to be just as good as the day it went in. It's not going to have any of the problems that you typically will get. So we really focus on making machines that really are, in a sense, are heirlooms. So if you're looking at getting a trim saw, by the way, there's a belt guard that goes over this. If you're looking at getting a trim saw, go to hplapidary.com. Our Black Friday sale is going on right now, which gets you another 10% off of these little rugged machines, and we'll have these in stock here shortly. As you can see, we've got a whole table of them going together up over there. I think we've got probably 30 in this run, so definitely check us out.